We begin tonight with several new developments in Colorado's COVID vaccine plan. The governor clarifying tonight the state wants to vaccinate people 70 and older before moving on to younger people. This despite the CDC recommending people down to age 65 also get priority. Hopefully the process will start running more smoothly. Denver is planning to host mass vaccination clinics later this month, similar to what we saw in the Ball Arena parking lot earlier in the pandemic. The goal is to vaccinate as many as 10,000 people a day. The state has distributed more than 238,000 doses so far. UCHealth, a major partner in the effort, has vaccinated 37,000 people. 12,000 were people 70 and older. And soon it will be easier for people in that age group to get the shot. Our Karen Morfa with more on the plan tonight. And Karen, people will be able to call in to book an appointment.
Jim, right now, many of these facilities that are offering up vaccine appointments do so solely online. For anyone that doesn't have access to a computer or internet, they've been left struggling to find other options. Now there's a plan for a hotline underway, and it won't be only open to solely patients.
Oh, it's been a long 10 months.
With the arrival of the COVID-19 vaccine, Barbara Bowen thought the isolation her and her husband were feeling would be a thing of the past.
I called my doctor. They said, call these hospitals. I called the hospitals and they say, nope, you're not in our system because you haven't come to our hospital.
In an update on the state's distribution plan, the governor says they're working with providers to improve access.
Increase their capacity to administer the vaccine to their patients, some of them vaccinating thousands of people per day, but also opening that up to people that they don't have a relationship with.
Major healthcare systems will now offer vaccines to non-patients 70 and older, while also addressing some of the registration frustrations.
If you're not tech savvy, trying to get on their portal, even if you have the right information, can be very frustrating.
Both Centura and UCHealth are setting up a hotline for those not wanting to navigate a website.
In the next few days, we're going to stand up a call-in line for those that don't have access to a computer or the internet, where you can call, get information.
Bowen says after a week of daily calls and hours on hold, she and her husband are finally on a wait list, and that, she says, is good enough for her.
Let them know, hey, I'm out here, and eventually my name will come to the top and I'll be able to get the vaccine.
Now, the governor said today their biggest challenge in distributing these vaccines is getting enough from the federal government to keep up with demand. As soon as hospitals do get enough vaccines, they'll be adding more non-patients. And at least at UCHealth, we know those appointments will be handed out at random. As soon as those hotlines are up and running, we're going to be able to post those online at cbsdenver.com. For now, we're live. Karen Morford covering Colorado First.